Hello, Bill McRae here today. How are you doing? I want to talk to you about the difference between LinkedIn, which is a social media website, and Facebook and all the other ones out there. LinkedIn is an extremely powerful website, but it's really quite a bit more of a professional website than Facebook. Facebook is more socializing for families and groups and people of like-minded interests and stuff like that. You get into a lot of political debates. You see a lot of family drama and kind of a personal sort of perspective on things. People arguing about music, people discussing all sorts of different topics that are really kind of like day of life, walk in the door, sit down, and, let's have a conversation. And it's, for me, I don't find it as fun as it used to be because I think there's a big giant privacy concern there. I mean, I don't care, when you sign up for it, you are giving away your personal information. I understood that. I understand that. I just think what it does too is if you get on there and you say a bunch of really obtuse things, it can affect your professional career should you try to find a job or something like that in the future. You don't know what the future holds, so why sit there spewing out really caustic sort of discussions just because you're arguing with your friends over something. So it's kind of scary from that perspective. And I have literally done that before because my political beliefs are fairly conservative, but not overly conservative. I'm definitely a moderate conservative. And I disagree with people and they disagree with me and you get in arguments. I'm like, wait a minute, I didn't want to be having arguments with my friends about political stuff, and I also don't want my personal information being sucked up by either political party and used for marketing information. And then there's the spread of just propaganda on social media that, especially younger minds that are so focused on social media as part of their life, pick up as being true when it's basically, I hate to use the word fake news, but a lot of it is literally fake news, propaganda, stuff like that, that gets spread in order to sway the opinions of people that are using that service. LinkedIn isn't like that at all. LinkedIn is a business to business sort of professional network. This is where you keep your resume. This is where you build contacts in your community from a business perspective. This is not where you go to sell your weight loss product. It's not where you go to sell solo ad traffic. It's not where you go to promote whatever cheesy MLM system you have. It's not designed for that. It's designed for you to be able to propagate your professional network, keep in contact with people that may be important to your future career. I think it's fine to share content on the network. Like I share these videos. I post pretty much every one of them to LinkedIn, primarily because I'm giving people really straight up, honest advice, and I'm not ashamed of it. But it's not the place to be sitting there bragging about being a millionaire and doing this and doing that and doing that, all this lifestyle marketing, if you will. It's definitely the place where you can talk about, lead generation or how to do social media marketing or how to do business to business marketing, which is really where LinkedIn shines. Okay, it is by far the best platform for business to business and has a great lead generation system if you know how to do it, and it is kind of expensive, but if you're doing business to business, there's nothing better than LinkedIn, okay? So if you're a B2B salesman, you should learn how to use their platform. It's really powerful. But if you're just trying to sell your nebulous MLM type of stupid business opportunity, you're going to be met with a cold shoulder and probably not have very many followers. Now, LinkedIn, I've got about 900 followers. They're all people that have met me or know people I know, and that's how you grow your network sort of thing. You can't even really go to someone that you've never met before and say, hey, I'm a friend now. It has to be somebody that's a friend of a friend, either first or second degree, And when you go to approve that person, they have an opportunity to look at your profile, see, what sort of stuff you're adding to the network, to make sure you're the sort of person they want to be seeing information from. So LinkedIn is a special thing. This is where you do your professional marketing. It's fine, absolutely fine, to take a video like what I'm creating here and load it up there. Just consider the content, okay? But if I was talking to you about how I'm making $1 million, I'm doing all the rah-rah stuff in my airplane, and the marketing videos, you've seen enough of them. If I was doing that, I wouldn't put it up there at all, because it would tarnish my reputation, and that's not the goal of it. So if you want to work with LinkedIn, keep it professional. Now, I tie it to my blog, and I post all professional marketing content in my blog by doing YouTube videos, which I upload to the blog, and then I syndicate to the social media sites from my blog using some custom software that amplifies my results with my videos, and I'm able to build a professional reputation doing so. That's the benefit of using LinkedIn. And if you're not doing it to market, you should get in there and start finding people you can network with. And if you want to use it for whatever your marketing is, make sure your marketing is really professional in nature and not, get rich quick stuff, or, cure scabies in 5 minutes, or you get the point. Make sure you're being earnest and you have a solid background and knowledge and information, so that when you share that content, it enhances your reputation. It doesn't pull your reputation down. Someday you might want to go to work for someone, and anything you posted on Facebook is going to, it's going to be findable. Same thing with LinkedIn. Now, I want to mention Twitter real quick, because I've used Twitter a lot, and I still get lots of good traffic from Twitter, from posted content. But Twitter has become a gossip center. I mean, people go to Twitter to gossip and include people in their gossip that they actually are trying to target and hurt. It's used heavily by the media and by people in politics, and I only use it to spread and share my videos and my blog posts and my content. I don't really engage in any dialogue or discussion at all on Twitter. And I try to limit myself on Facebook, other than my Facebook groups. So LinkedIn, professional, business-oriented. Twitter, gossip, politics, fake news-oriented. Facebook, family, friends, fake news, and stay away from the arguments. It's also good for business. So you guys have a great day.